The ULMS 500 is an automatic upstroke circular saw with a diameter of 500 millimeters. The machine is ideally suited for cutting plastics and non-ferrous metals, such as brass, copper or aluminium. A major advantage of the machine is the horizontally and vertically mounted clamping stamps, which allow for complex components to be easily and securely clamped. The motor speed is 2,347 revolutions per minute and can be smoothly started via a two-stage control. The cover, which is another great advantage of the machine, provides the user with reliable protection while cutting and also protects them from other specific hazards. The machine has an adjustable tilt of 45 degrees to the left and right. The maximum cutting capacity at 0 degrees is 150 by 150 millimeters. At 45 degrees to the left and right, it is 130 by 130 millimeters. Additionally, the user has the option to equip the machine with roller conveyors, which are fitted with a manual measuring stop. Included with the ULM 500 is 2 saw blades, a minimum quantity lubrication system, and a spray gun.